In today's video, I'll show you my massive Oxy haul and how I went from $46 to $2 and some cent and was still able to shop for even more freebies. Planning is key to saving money with coupons. So I pulled all my deals together, headed to CVS, and went shopping on the new deals. I always like to check my coupons before I head to the register, just to make sure that everything's in order. I picked up Almay because last week I got a $6 Almay coupon. It just said save $6 on Almay, so I decided to go through there and get some makeup wipes. Then I always scan my card at the Redbox machine because you never know what's going to come out. And then there was a $2 off coupon on 2 mouthwashes, so I headed over. I knew there was a deal that week on Colgate, so I went ahead and got 2 of those. And then, you know, when you get 2, you get double the rewards because there's 2 rewards per household. So I took advantage of that with the other manufacturer coupons. And then I still had more coupons on mouthwash. They were giving away a gobs of coupons. There was a lot of coupons on the Kotex. So I took advantage of that deal as well. I had a lot of CVS coupons to roll with my manufacturer coupons, which enabled me to save a lot of money on this haul. I had so many. It was really, really great.
It was $2.94, right?
The total before coupons was over $46. After coupons, I paid $2 and some cent. Headed out with my haul. I got 2 bottles of mouthwash, L'Oreal hair care, Almay, and Kotex products. Breaking down the deal. Though I put out $2 and some cent, I got back $8, so that made that all of these items almost a $6 moneymaker. I got $4 back on the Colgate deal and $4 back on the L'Oreal items. That was $8. Then my second transaction. All right. So now with that $8 that I got back, when I scanned the CVS Redbox machine, out pops a $5 off of 20 shave. So $5 off of 20 for the Gillette item. The Gillette razors weren't on sale, but with the coupons and rewards, I knew I could get them free. So I stacked it with these coupons. You know, we have that $4 off of 1 Gillette product coupon. You know, read the coupon. It covers a lot of the Gillette products. So just you can use that $4 off coupon, okay? And that'll save you tremendous sums. So I got 2 of these. I threw in a box of Band-Aids because I'm like, who can't use Band-Aids? Come on. This was $21. This little stuff was $21. So with the $8 in coupons, okay, the $8 in rewards that I got back off my first transaction, and the 2 coupons that was in the Retail Me Not, all right, so that's 8 and 8, that's 16, and then you throw in the $5 coupon, all right, that's $21 in coupons that I rolled in $21 worth of items. The nice thing about it, when I did, I got that reward back on the Gillette. Okay, you guys know that you get a reward back on the Gillette. So with that reward, I rolled it into the Crest mouthwash deal. I picked out 2 Crest. 2 for $10. You know, $4.99, $4.99, rounded up to $10. Okay. So then I had the coupon reward off of here. Okay, and I had the $1 off each coupons from the P&G Saver. Then I had a $2 coupon from the Redbox machine, and then there was another coupon from the Redbox machine that you can get on the mouthwash. So I stacked all that together, and these were free. I paid nothing. So I actually paid nothing for this. Nothing. So after my coupons and rewards, I paid nothing for the mouthwash and nothing for the razors. So that was awesome. For all of these, then I got back a $4 reward, which I will roll again. So I'm going to roll that reward with the coupons into Dial because we're getting Dial coupons. Buy one, get one free, and the new Retail Me Not. I pick up 4 of them, so I'm going to use the 2 BOGOs. All right, so I'll pay nothing for body wash. So that means when you add in the $12 in body wash, you add $46 in my initial transaction, and then you add in the free razors, that was like $20. You add in the free mouthwash. We're at $80 worth of products, okay, for $2.84 out of my purse. So this all means I got my first transaction for $2.84, paid 0 for the next. So what was exciting was all the deals that CVS had, the sales as well as their coupons and what was on the register receipts. There was just so much savings going on. So it was really exciting. That's couponing. I loaded up my Oxy haul. It took 3 shelves to do so. They started having Oxy on clearance for 25% off, and then it went to 50% off, and now it's 75% off. CVS has been clearancing out a lot of products, and Oxy is one of them. So yesterday when I hit the store, they had marked these down to 75% off. I really didn't know that they were 75% off until I decided to scan one, and it showed it. It was $1.94, 75% off. I was like, yippee, I had waited. I got all of them free though because I had, remember I told you I was doing the double dips, and I had rewards left over, so I only paid like $2 and some cent for 40 bottles. That's couponing. So with over $240 in Oxys and $86 worth of items, with $5 out of pocket, that's $326 worth of items. Thanks for checking out my video. Any questions? Leave a comment.